Passive income arena brings to you some benefits of social media marketing that you must know and ways to profit as individual in 2023. 1. Financial freedom. 2. Increased customer engagement and loyalty. 3. Improved brand visibility and awareness. 4. Better customer service. 5. Increased ROI on investments. 6. Increased sales. Ways to profit from social media marketing as individual. 1. Use social media as an influencer platform. 2. Utilize data-driven insights to increase conversions and train about it. 3. Increase consumer engagement through content. 4. Take advantage of Google's algorithm changes and teach about it. 5. Compete with online retailers like Amazon and others using all available social media techniques. Will you like to get started with making profits through social media as a business or individual? Leave a comment below and state if you're a business or individual to know the right way to help out. Before the end of this content, I would like to introduce you to my 30 days daily mentorship program where you will be learning how to own a social media marketing agency and grow it just in 30 days. To join the program, click on the link in the description box below or check the bio. Do you find this content helpful and informative? Please give a like, comment and share. We'll appreciate you to follow this page for more beneficial contents by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification or click on the follow button on the page. See you in the next video.